Hey everyone, Sharpan here. I am back with another video, one that I think you guys will be really intrigued by and really interested in. We've gotten a lot of attention, feedback, and kind of demand for the videos I released regarding the free wallet that we're giving away, several of them for companies or brands in the crypto space that want to release their own crypto wallet app. This is obviously a part of a larger initiative of us proliferating, promulgating the power of the vault technology and spreading it amongst the entire global exchange universe. And I made 4 videos kind of explaining the logic, the upside, what it's in for them, what it looks like. And so I'm going to make some more videos talking a little bit more about the details. But obviously, one video that I know is going to be the most important, the most potent is what does this app look like? What does it do? What can it do for you? What can it do for your users? So in this video, I'm actually giving a full tour of what the app looks like. If you can see already on my phone in my homepage, I have several of the global exchange apps that we're releasing. The one that we have branded is called the agency. And so agency is obviously the last part of a product that we're as a larger ecosystem product called virtual sales agency, where we help people start their own business powered by the technology that underpins global exchange, and really build e-commerce content businesses on top of it. However, this app is called agency because it kind of gives you an idea of what a completely branded app looks like, because we could have called it global exchange or something like that, but this is essentially an app that the agency brand has white labeled just like how you'll white label it. So I'm going to click it and I'm going straight from the top here. So the first page on the splash, assuming that your customers download this right now, it's going to say select language. We've put 3 of the most commonly used languages in the world: Hindi, Mandarin, English. We can translate this app into more languages if that's something your user base needs. Obviously, that takes a little bit more time, might cost something, and we'll definitely can talk about that. But English comes preferred. So you click English and then ask you to connect or register. The registration is already fully built in. The user can easily register, set up select their profile picture, username, email, password, and create an account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to click connect. And again, the login is super simple. Just put in your login with Global Exchange or whatever it is that or whatever of the apps that you're logging into, but it's all one unified login procedure. So I'm logging in right now for the first time into this app. Perfect. And click sign in. And as long as my login credentials are correct, it is going to verify that I'm a GX user and take me inside. And perfect, I've landed on the first page of the application. And here you get to see what the application actually looks like. Now, mind you, we have put a tremendous amount of features into what I'm about to show you. Not all of that will be applicable to your business. A lot of that is because your business might not need it, or your customers might not require it. And some of it's because some of it's premium features. But I'm going to show you and explain, and I'm going to make the distinction as to what comes stock and what's coming in the free wallet giveaway, and how you want to engage with and how your users can benefit from it. So really, the breadth of the application is broken down into 4 different pages. This menu pops out from the left-hand side. Again, super elegant, super sleek, shows the profile picture, shows the username, that's my name, my kind of pseudonym that I use for Global Exchange, and 4 of the pages. And the first one is the wallet page, which is the one that you're on in this app. It's called Agency. You can call it wallets, you can call it vaults, you can call it your brand. It doesn't matter. What that first one means is it's the wallet page, the one that we're going to explore first. This is obviously coming. This page is for sure included in what we're talking about, and is going to be the page that your customers use the most for sure. So on this page, it shows them at the top here the total portfolio balance that they have. It shows how much of that portfolio, because it's calculating and presenting everything in USD, it's showing how much of that is crypto and how much of that is in fiat, which is, I think, a really cool feature. And then it shows all of the wallets that you have. Now, just from a technical perspective here, we support almost, I think, over 10 fiat currencies now in the global exchange ecosystem, and several cryptos. But the primary ones that we support are Bitcoin, Tether, and Ether. But we literally, and Litecoin and GX are also here. But when you are setting up your white label app, you can choose whatever crypto you want, and we can embed it Same thing with the FX. And if you don't want all these FX, or you don't even want FX in general, easily can be taken out by your side. But I'm going to show it to you in the whole gambit here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to interact with fiat currency, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like to interact with the crypto wallet element of this. First, let's start with crypto, because I think that's going to be the more popular one. So if I see my Bitcoin on the homepage, I can see my Bitcoin balance, 0.17 Bitcoin, and the USD value. If I click that, it opens up the Bitcoin tab of my wallet. And again, super, minimalistic design, super sleek. And here it shows my Bitcoin balance, 0.12, and it shows the crypto value of that, which is $1,628. Here I can either click my debit transactions or my credit transactions. It'll open up all those for me. But the primary functions are at the bottom. It's add, send, and trade. Add means adding more crypto to this, which is obviously, if I click that, it opens up the wallet and the QR code. I can copy it, I can scan it, I can send it to my friends, and that's how I can obviously deposit crypto into that. If I want to click send, that means I'm sending either outside, so I'm withdrawing crypto externally, or I'm making an internal transfer to another user. Now, that internal transfer feature in and of itself is a colossal value addition to whatever business you're running. That's the equivalent of like a PayPal user payment system. Like, think about how big payment companies that don't do crypto have gotten based on just people being able to send money to each other. I'm going to show what that looks like first. If you click internal, again, super elegant. You can just type in how much crypto you want to send in Bitcoin and in dollars. As you can see, it switches up here. But let's just say I want to do it in BTC, put 0.05 or whatever it is. I can even say what it's for. I could say, hey, Ariel bought me lunch, and I can literally just put add and to whom it's for. And here I just put the GX email, the email of the GX user. I can even upload a picture, and that's it. So if I say, hey, this is work with abg at gmail.com, which is Ariel's email, click add, and perfect. The first person comes there. Now, what I've also added as a feature into this is being able to split the payment amongst multiple people. Let's say you have a customer that wants to send another one of your customers, two customers, some money easily. Just click add again, add another email. This time I'll send it to myself, sharpan at gmail.com, click add, and now I'm splitting the bill. So that's how you do internal, what used to be called GX transfers, now called Vault Connect. And that's what you're doing when you're transferring inside. Your customers will be doing that. Again, guys, entire multi-million-dollar startups are built off of just that feature, right? I can name 5, 6 off the top of my head, but just giving you a little bit of context on that. Now, let's say you want to send crypto external to the outside world. Just click send and you click external. And this pops up the infrastructure to be able to make a crypto withdrawal. You can enter the amount in Bitcoin. You can enter the amount in Bitcoin. You can enter, as soon as you enter the amount in Bitcoin, it converts it to USD. You can just type in half your portfolio or full portfolio. You can enter the Bitcoin address. You can then scan a QR code by simply clicking the QR code. It opens it up so that you can see and go back. It fills it in. I mean, it is so elegant. It is so easy to use. And then you just click send Bitcoin. That's how you send or transfer crypto out, and then trade. Obviously, this is people trying to convert between different cryptos, or people trying to convert between fiat and crypto. And this is honestly my favorite part of this app, is how elegant and simple the trade function is. I'm actually going to show that in the next video, where I talk about the fiat wallet and how you can fund your fiat account directly from here, trade into crypto. But I wanted to take this video to show you exactly how the crypto element of this works. One thing I will show at left is debit transactions. It loads up every time you've made a withdrawal. All of that's here now. And you can even sort that by calendar date. You can even search. I mean, it's just so we put, like, just to give you guys context, like, this is the app we made for us. This is the app we made for global exchange. We then called it the Vault app. We did promotions for it. We then realized the demand in the market from our consumer perspective is Insta Crypto, migrated to that, and now we're giving this to everybody. And for the first 10 people, I think 20, it's going to be given without an actual fee. It's just on the basis of a deposit. But just going through this again kind of brings me nostalgia on how long we worked on this. And so that's the crypto element. I haven't even shown you trade. I haven't shown you how fiat works. And I haven't shown you the rest of the pages. So definitely stay tuned for the next video.